Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today we're going to be unboxing the HomePod Mini. This is a very interesting box. I know some Apple devices actually come in boxes like this with this little pull tab, and let's see how this works. So I guess we just pull it like this, and like this. And there we go. So now we got to crack it like an egg, which is kind of ironic because it's a pod. And there we go. Here's the box. So the top's all colorful, sides just say Mini, well, HomePod Mini, and then the HomePod Mini obviously, and then again HomePod Mini again, just kind of like in a dust thing, and a HomePod Mini one last time. And then on the bottom it just tells you all the information about it, which pretty much it's a gray one, space gray. This comes in space gray and white. Either way, let's get this opened up. There's no pull tab or anything like that, so this is the old style. We just rip it off. It's kind of interesting. I missed that feature. And then we just lift this up. Kind of difficult to do. Okay, this is frustrating. Why is there why is there already dust here? It's kind of annoying. Whatever. So we'll take this out, we'll set this aside because obviously I need to plug this in anyway. And we'll pull this little thing off, pull this little tab as well. And here's the 20-watt charger. It is 20 watts, which is interesting because they give you a better charger than the iPhone 11 Pro Max does. Because they don't give you a charger with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. That would be pretty funny if they didn't actually give a charger with this. But either way, there's a little pamphlet thing. Like normal devices, you get the sticker, safety instructions, and then just little how-tos on like what to do with this. But let's set that all back together, put the box back together, and let's get this plugged in. So we'll undo this little thing right here, plug it into the adapter, which is interesting because they don't have matching colors. I would think they would have matching colors, like a black adapter with a black cable or a white adapter with a white cable, but I guess that's not what Apple's doing anymore. Either way, let's plug this in and let this go. There's this little thing down here you can remove, so it makes it a little bit more stable. And it looks like it's powering on, and now we need to connect it. Okay, so now we got Wi-Fi, and let's connect it. So all you gotta do is actually put it close to the HomePod Mini, and then it pops up on the phone to start setting up, and then you just click setup. That's it. And it asks for your Apple ID password and all that good stuff. So let's type that in, let this sync. And it looks like it's good. Okay, that took a long time to start playing music, and I guess I don't really have any control on my phone. That's kind of interesting. It's almost like a Chromecast, but I don't know how to show what I'm listening to. So on the top, obviously you see this is kind of like a, almost like a little screen. It just like lights up and shows like different colors and stuff like that. You have a touch for different features. You have volume down and volume up, which control it on the phone, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, that's about it. It's actually sounds really nice and really big, but I'll have to test it out and maybe I'll do a review. I'm not too sure yet, but I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. But either way, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna clean this up and attempt to put it back in the box because it already has a bunch of fingerprints, even though there's no fingerprints. Why is this box so difficult to open? Okay, that was annoying. But either way, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and now I have to try and fit this back in. I don't know how to do this either. Okay, this video is going to go on forever, but either way, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or message me on Twitter. I get bored over there. Subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this, as well as some review and some repair videos. And hit that bell button so then YouTube reminds you when those videos do come out. Thanks for watching.